Samsung is moving fast with testing for the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, and it looks like this fan-favorite phone might be launching very soon. Early signs are strong, and Samsung's preparations are already in full swing. The global version of the S25 Fan Edition has now shown up on Samsung's software server. Well-known tipster Alpha Turk spotted fresh proof that the global Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is actively being tested. This marks the third time we've heard about internal software for the phone, with the latest global build labeled S731BXXU0A-WFB. Keep in mind, the build version will keep changing during the testing phase. Every time Samsung updates the software, a new version appears on the server. The final build will be the smoothest one, free of bugs or issues, and ready for users. Now here's the twist that fans will love. Samsung has officially confirmed that the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is launching earlier than usual. While no exact date or month has been shared, all signs point to a possible release in August or September, much sooner than its predecessor. Specs-wise, expect minor upgrades. The S25 Fan Edition may feature a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. The selfie camera is also getting a boost. The phone is slim at just 7.4mm thick and weighs 190 grams. Powering the device is a solid 4,900 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. Under the hood, it runs on Samsung's Exynos 2400 chip, a small step up from the Exynos 2400 used in the S24 Fan Edition. You'll get 8 gigs of RAM and storage options of 128 gigs or 256 gigs. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. Samsung's next big software surprise just leaked, and it's finally official. One UI 8.5 is real. Samsung is preparing One UI 8.5, and it'll debut with the Galaxy S26 lineup in early 2026. Rumors have been buzzing for months about this mid-year update to One UI 8, but now we finally have solid proof. Our friends at Samobile discovered a reference to One UI 8.5 in leaked software for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is the first real sign that this big upgrade is on the way, with a launch expected in February next year. Earlier, the Galaxy S26 Ultra appeared on Samsung servers through Geekbench. Its PDA build number, S948USQ0AWG8, didn't confirm which Android or One UI version it had, but internal files have now cleared up that mystery. One UI 8.5 will be based on Android 16, just like One UI 8.0, but it's set to bring even more changes, better visuals, smoother animations, and new features alongside Samsung's next-gen flagship phones. Here's the twist. One UI 8.0 already felt like a minor update, so this 8.5 version might actually bring the bigger leap we were all expecting. Samsung seems to be switching up its software strategy. A major Android version now comes with foldables in mid-year, while a feature-packed 5 update arrives with the Galaxy S series in the new year. And it's not just software. Samsung is also shaking up its phone lineup. The Galaxy S26 family may still have 3 models, but with a new naming scheme. Galaxy S26 Pro, a step up from the base model. Galaxy S26 Edge, replacing the Plus. Galaxy S26 Ultra. Big changes are coming, and now they're no longer a rumor. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.